everyone, I'm Alperen, and today I will talk about the effects of throwing wastes to nature. Produce of waste are increasing year by year. We produce harmful things for nature and for ourselves. Worst thing is we are not destroy or recycle most of them. We are just throwing them to nature, and this is a really big mistake. And I will talk about why this is a big mistake. Every waste we live in nature, our lives affects our lives really bad, even if it's not directly. For example, the solution of plastics in nature are gets more than 400 years. That means you can see a lot of plastic wastes in your favorite park, picnic areas, or even walk on the streets. However, the main problem is not about the green areas. The main problem is actually about the seas and waters, uh, especially wastes in the waters are affecting more than 400 species. One of them is humans. Also, creatures in the seas are really in danger because of our irresponsibilities. Uh, Research of Ocean Conservancy shows us 60% of seabirds and all of the sea turtles are eating plastics. Also, likewise, the fishes are eating plastic too, and as you can guess, uh, every time we eat fish, that means we are eating plastics. It's a really big problem because of fishes are really common food in our country, especially in the Black Sea region, and this thing is affects our lives and foods badly. Also, we are not we are not only harm ourselves, also we are affecting future. We produce organic and inorganic wastes, and these inorganic materials are cannot find in nature directly. So that means uh, these inorganic materials also dissolute dissolute in nature, not easy. It takes a lot of time to dissolute of these inorganic materials, uh, and these inorganic materials affecting our farming territories. This is harmful to our harm. This is harming our foods, and for example, Turkey is the Turkey has a lot of territories that's suitable for agriculture. That means uh, farming. Uh, we if we continue pollute these areas, these territories with inorganic wastes, we will have a few farming territories in the future, and this will affect our foods and future lives. Furthermore, uh, people won't be able to see many species of animals and plants because of uh, our irresponsibilities now. Thank you for listening.